Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to extract zip files or unzip zip files in Windows 10 and Windows 11 only with default application without third-party application necessary. For example, WinRAR or 7-zip. Open the start menu and type File Explorer and hit enter. Go to the top and select this option. Go to the View tab and select this option. File name extension. One click in this option and verify your file extension, only zip, and double click. Right click and select extract all. In the new window, select your directory. In this case, select the desktop directory by default and show extracted files when completely. Open it up and select your custom folder. For example, music or videos or any directory. For this tutorial, I select the file option and click on Start. And this is the content of the folder. And this is the uncompressed file or folder. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.